Turn off the printer. Open the front cover. Take the drum and toner cartridge unit out. Pull the unit on a horizontal table. Remember, the light may damage the drum. Press the blue button on the left side of the drum unit and lift the toner cartridge. Take the toner cartridge out. This printer has a separate drum and toner. You have to change only the toner cartridge. Take the new toner cartridge and, holding the toner cartridge handle, shake it left and right for 5-6 times. Pull the seal out and take the toner protection cover out. Compatible cartridges may not have the seal. Insert the new toner cartridge into the old drum unit. Take the drum unit with the toner cartridge installed and insert it inside the printer. Close the front cover. This cartridge has a chip. There are no reset procedures.